Hello viewers, today we are talk about Edward Kikuel. Edward Kikuel was an American painter known for his vibrant and colorful impressionist works, often featuring idyllic scenes of daily life and leisure. Born on 6 August 1875 in San Francisco, California, Kikuel's journey in the art world is profoundly influenced by his early exposure to both American and European artistic tradition. Kikuel's father, a German newspaper publisher, played a pivotal role in his initial artistic development. Recognizing his son's talent and passion for art, he supported Circle's decision to pursue formal training. At the tender age of 14, Kikues enrolled at the San Francisco Art Institute where he began to hone his skill. His education continued in Paris, where he studied at the Academia Julian and the Academic Colorici, prestigious institutions that attracted aspiring artists from around the globe. In Paris, Kikules embraced himself in the vibrant art scenes and was significantly influenced by the works of the French Impressionists. He developed a keen interest in capturing light and color techniques and would become hallmarks of his style. Kiku's also studies under the tutelage of Jean Leun at the École des Beaux-Arts, further refining his technique and expanding his artistic repertoire. By the early 1980s, Kiku's had established himself as a permanent figure in the European art world. He frequently exhibited his works at the Salon in Paris, gaining critical acclaim for his ability to depict the subtleties of light and shadow. His painting from his period after featured scenes of Persian life, including bustling streets, serene park, and intimate interiors, reflecting his fascination with capturing the essence of everyday moments. In 1912, Kikules moved to Munich, Germany, where he became associated with his Scholl's artistic group. His collective with include notable artists such as Lou Potts and Fritz Erler, focused on the plain air painting techniques, emphasizing the importance of painting outdoors to capture the natural light and atmosphere. Kiku's work during this time continued to evolve, showcasing a mastery of color and composition that set him apart from his contemporaries. Kiku's art flourishing during the interwar period, with many of his work reflecting a scene of tranquility and joy. He frequently depicted scenes of leisurely activities such as boating, picnicking, and social gatherings, often set against the backdrop of the Bavarian countryside or the French Riviera. His use of vibrant colors and loose brushwork created a scene of movement and spontaneity, drawing viewers into the idyllic world he portrayed. Despite his success in Europe, Kukul maintained strong ties to his American roots. He regularly exhibited in the United States and became a member of several prestigious art organizations, including the National Academy of Design and the American Art Association. His works were well received by American audience, who appreciated his unique blend of European Impressionism and American sensibilities. Kukel's career was interrupted by the outbreak of World War II, forced him to return to the United States. He settled in Pasadena, California, where he continued to paint and exhibited his work all throughout the war and the aftermath brought significant challenges. Kirkule remained dedicated to his craft, producing a body of work that continued to captivate and inspire. Edward Kukul passed away on 18 April 1954, Pasadena. His legacy lives on through his vibrant and evocative paintings, which are held in numerous public and private collections worldwide. Kiku's ability to capture the beauty and joy of everyday life, combined with his technical skill and innovative use of color, ensured that his work remains celebrated and appreciated by art lovers and historians alike. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.